Hey guys, and welcome to A1 Raceway, which is just off the A1 in Grantham, Lincolnshire. So this almost turned into a weekend to forget. Practice 1, I had a rear ball stud pop out on lap 2. Clearly there weren't enough threads going into the mount with the shims. Practice 2 was a bit better. Seeding's done on the fastest 2 consecutive laps, so I was 8th quickest, so I was looking promising for a decent weekend. I've generally gone okay at the A1 Raceway, so yeah, let's get into round 1. This was not too bad. It was a good start. I seemed to be on the back of a train of 3 cars in front of me that all started ahead on the stagger, and I think when it called the order at 2 minutes in, I was up to 3rd or 4th or something like that, so it was going alright until it wasn't, which is seems to be the story of my qualifying at this meeting. But I did end up 12th overall. Not a bad first score. Sharp end of the B final if I was to qualify with a single score. So not too bad, but we could tidy up with a bit tidier driving. You'll see there's 2 jumps, like a double, on this track, and it was key to jumping it. If you didn't jump them, you could pretty much just throw away a second of lap time, just singling, so you had to jump them. The 6.5 that I was running in the car just didn't seem to have enough beans to get over there successfully, so I thought, well, I'll put a 5.5 in, and then that'll just give me a little bit more go from the bottom end. But yeah, round 2 was very short-lived. I turned the car on, put it on the start ramp, and then it didn't move at all. So yeah, it turned out that I'd soldered the A and C wires the wrong way round. So yeah, I don't know if I was in a bit of rush or just had a bit of a brain fade, but yeah, the car was going nowhere in round 2. Round 3, corrected the wires, so A and C were in the correct positions, and the car actually went forward. But a few minutes into the run, and the car just stopped on the track. The transmission just locked completely up. Turned out I hadn't tightened the motor screw fully, and it had worked its way out until it made contact with the spur gear. For good measure, the pinion decided to take off 3 teeth off the spur gear. Metal versus plastic, we always knew which one was going to win out of that. So yeah, new spur gear fitted, and round 4. So I've got 12 and nothing really. So I needed a good one. It wasn't going too bad. I knew I needed to keep it on its wheels, but just silly little rolls. Just before that double jump, you really need to get a good line into there, and I think I was going too deep into it and then asking too much of the steering, and it was grip rolling, doing stupid things like that. But yeah, I got 16th in round 12 and a 16. It's not great, but it did line me up at 9th in the B, and this brings us to this race. So I'll leave you to watch the rest of this race, and yeah, thanks for joining me. Oh.
You've got to put it back on what you want me. No, you've got to put it back. You're not moving it. No, you've got to put it back. You're into the lap.
I did tell you.
Well, you did.
6, 3, 2, 10, 8, 7. Leader on lap 5. That's all after 4 minutes. 1, 5, 9, 6, 3, 8, 10, 4, 7, 2. Leader on lap 9. Finished. 9 finished. 2 finished. 6 finished. 5 finished. 3 finished. 4 finished. 10 finished. 8 finished.
Oh, we're waiting for that mistake.
7 finished.
Takes the win.
That mistake came when I made mine.
Insure Auto. So that was Johnny Meadows. Don't all run off.